My friends, Running Kimono here. We have a Walgreens midweek deal using two different boosters and they work together, along with an online deal that I believe is a glitch. So we'll talk about the Aleve for cheap and then some free Dollar Shave Club over at at Rite Aid. Now, if you missed it yesterday evening-ish, I posted this video about the Dollar General clearance event that's taking place this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And if you are a staunch Walgreens shopper and if your store might have some of this merch, it might be time to do a crossover. I go through this step by step, bite by bite, and really get into the nitty gritty of the clearance event. 17-minute video, but tons and tons and tons of cheap paper and detergent. If that is your thing, check out the video linked at the very end, and I'll pin it in the notes. A really great video, especially if you love the Dollar General clearance event. So this first deal we're going to talk about is a curbside deal only. So online, if you look in the app or on a desktop computer, a lot of the Aleve products that are $16 and some change, well, they're $3.50. When they will change that, it is unknown. So these liquid gels, the one with the arthritis cap, and then the nighttime PM, I'll show you here in the next slide, they're ringing up for $3.50. I know some accounts have digital coupons. Sadly, I didn't. But what I did, guys, was I used $10 in Walgreens cash and paid the 50 cents plus tax and left all the way to the bank and back. How much your town has in stock is unknown. How many couponers are in your town and how hard they're hitting it. That's also like one of these variables. Special shout out and thank you to Save with Coupons today over on TikTok. This was in fact her deal. She showed it. Her and I believe Graceful Deals were doing it on TikTok. Both ladies, thank you so much. And yeah, get your very inexpensive Aleve. That's upwards of $16 for $3.50. I got three, and this is something, if you have aches and pains or even this nighttime one, it's going to be absolutely glorious to take one of those before you go to bed and like sleep like a queen or a king. Okay, guys, now let's talk about just some deals I think you should be doing in store. And because they're really great. So these toothbrushes are $2.99 a pop. They are the Colgate toothbrushes. Buy two, get back a $4 register reward. I know a lot of you are like, I need to see the tag. Here it is. Now, in my Walgreens account, here's something really weird. I had $2 off for the toothbrushes. And since we get so much toothpaste, I'm like, I'm going to get two of the toothbrushes. So just to show you like a quick visual, here it is, my little awesome haul. Two toothbrushes that are $2.99 a pop, and I had $2 digital coupons. Looking at the mathematics for this, two of the brushes is $5.98. Subtracting $2 coupons, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, essentially making it free. Now, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, if you're doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. Just to give you a quick peek, here is the $4 manufacturer register reward. That is the best kind. Just look at the top, see how it says manufacturer, not store, and that is for the Colgate dealio. The next deal I would absolutely do is to grab these $4.99 products. There is a $6.50 off of three digital coupon, and it's attaching to both of these mouthwashes and the double pack of the scope. For this one, I had to just shake it up a little bit because I could not find three of those mouth rinses. So see how it's tagged $4.99, $5 register reward. I believe when you buy two of them, we'll look at the tag here in a quick second, but I had to grab one of these scopes, so it's a value pack of the two tubes. And then I got one green one and one white one. This is a photo I took earlier in the week. When I went back to the store, there was only two scopes left. What a sad scene. And as you see, they are tagged $4.99, and when you buy two, you get a $5 register reward, which is a manufacturer also. But the digital coupon is a $6.50 off of three. That's why I'm grabbing three products to use the digital coupon. And here it is, guys. So $6.50 off of three. So that's why I grabbed the third one, because it's such a tremendous value. If you could go for three of those mouthwashes, if you like the scope one, that's what I would do, because we get to pay $1 for each of these, really good deal, and they're massive bottles. So a combination of three of those products is $14.97. We have that $6.50 off of three digital. You'll pay $8.47 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, which is a manufacturer one as well. It makes it $3.47 for the three, or $1.15 each. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. That's totally legal. And just to show you quickly, guys, like the register reward, yes, it printed for me, even though I got like two different flavors and a And the double pack of toothpaste, yes, it's still in fact printed for me. So that was really nice, and what a great deal. And the next deal is pretty self-explanatory. The Bic Soleil razor is $5.99. We have a $5 digital coupon, dropping this down to 99 cents. So that's just a great little filler. So, as I was telling you guys earlier, I wanted to do this basket at $25 because I had a digital and a paper booster. So just jogging through everything that I was talking about in the last couple slides, I did this as a booster, so I had to pay with my debit card for the balance. But this is what I got for my $25 basket: 2 Colgate toothbrushes, a Bic Soleil, 2 scopes, and then a double pack of Crest toothpaste. Now, these are the boosters that I used. This came out of the machine a couple days ago, which is $7 back when you spend $25. So what a great little booster that is. And then I think most of us got this one if you're an avid Walgreens shopper, which is $5 back when you spend $20. So that is the paper one, and this is the digital one. And yes, they did in fact stack for me. Okay, so going through my basket: 3 Scope Crest double pack products, $14.97. 2 Colgate brushes at $2.99 a pop is $5.98, and then 1 Bic Soleil is $5.99. For a grand total of $26.94. I had my 5 back when you spend $20 booster loaded, plus I had the paper booster. I gave it to the cashier. She scanned it for me. I also had $13.50 of digitals coming off, and I showed you those in the last slides previous. So I paid $13.44 with my debit card. I got back $12 in Walgreens cash, $7 for the paper booster, $5 for the digital booster, plus $9 in register rewards, a $5 for the scope deal, and then a $4 for the Colgate, making it free, plus a $7.56 money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. Finally, how stinking adorable is this little Minnie Mouse Pride? So cute Squishable, found at Walgreens for $9.99, as June is Pride Month. It is so cute, some of the merchandise that they have. I think they did some sort of special affiliation with Disney, and there is some really cute merchandise. So if you collect Squishimals or you like all things cute, I don't think it gets any cuter than this. And I absolutely love the colors. It's just so adorable. Okay, last thing we're going to talk about is Rite Aid. And I know in every video, I'm like, I'm not going to buy toothpaste, and I no longer shop at Rite Aid. And then I always do both. So I guess I'm lying a little bit in every video. I don't know, but this is a really good deal. So with Father's Day being like, what, in a couple of weeks? It's going to be on the 19th. Dollar Shave Club always has really generous deals. And this is one of them where there's a double dip on 2 of the Dollar Shave Club products. So if you were going to gift a couple things for your dad for Father's Day, some of them are double dipping. And I got this little shave butter and these wipes. Just to show you the tag, it says earn $3 in wellness bonus cash when you buy this item. But also if you go online, there's another rebate, I think for like $4 back or something like that. And it's per item, which is really crazy. So what I did was I got the wipes for $3.99 and the shave butter for $7.69. So the total before tax is $11.68. I just had some bonus cash on my store card and I rolled it. And then I got back 12, so it basically makes this for free, and I believe I've reached my limit there. I got this deal from Bonnie over on Instagram, coupon sweetheart, really nice lady, so that's why I did it, and I did it on both of my store cards, and I'm going to hang on to this receipt because if there is a rebate with IBOTTA, I have up to 7 days post to submit that receipt, and possibly Dollar Shave Club with Father's Day. Maybe they'll give us a generous rebate at one of the pharmacies. Wouldn't that be nice? As always, guys, thanks for watching. Watch my Dollar General video right here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.